Hi, today is the day that I will be continuing day 2 of me tying my hair. I've done a majority of it before, and honestly, it doesn't really take me that long, right? So I'm not sitting like 2-3 hours to do this process. I just do bit by bit. So I think if it was like in one sit-in, continually tightening these or locking these, then I would be done within, like, honestly, like less than 2 hours. This is just what I'm thinking because I'm doing the 2-point turn, but I can't say it would only take me 2 hours because I've not done this in like a 2-hour set-in, right? So just little by little I've been doing it, and like I said, I'm just about done because the sides are done, the perimeters are done, the back is done, and I'm just now focusing on the top. So I'm going to show you how I do my retie. This is just what I'm doing, and honest to God, like through this whole process, I'm just like, God, please don't let me ruin my hair. I'm not gonna be like, oh, it's hair, it will just grow back. No, because I'm not messing this up. Okay, so what I do is, if there's like any hairs, like some of them have woven or intertwined the other section of the hair in there, which is terrible, and I'm trying to avoid that as much as I can. Yeah, so yeah, I did that. So what I do is I try to go at the base, and if I've like intertwined or locked any of the other section of hair in there, I try to separate it, which is a tedious task, and I want to avoid that as much as possible, right? So like I think I was trying to tell you all in the previous parts of the videos, like I didn't there's no grid, right? I feel like these are just free hands or free flow, or just, you know, whatever I desired. So this is a section here, so I'm just gonna go and wind or twist the hair around, kind of like so, just so I could get it through this. And I think this, I don't know what size this is, it doesn't say, but I think it's like 0.5, I think. And I just put my hair through. Okay, I'll try again. Put it through like that, and I'm going to start I'm gonna do left, and I don't know if you guys can see, and down 6. I'm gonna do it again, and this is just how I'm doing it. So left, and left and down, right? And honestly, try not to do it tight, right? That's one thing I'm trying not to do. I don't want to ruin, like, I don't want to pull out any of my hair, right? I don't want to pull out any of my hair in the process, so I'm just gonna do it, I don't know if you guys can see it, much as possible, but as snug as possible, but not tight to the point where I can't freely move my hair around, right? So that's one thing I'm trying to avoid. See, and that was one done, one down, and I just carry on with that process. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn around like this, in here. Put it through, okay? Hopefully you can see me. And so left. Trying to pull that in through. And then down. And left. And down. Might be able to go through another time. Left. Yeah. Yeah. So like that. So I was gonna go through another time, but I'm like, no, we're not doing that. So I'm trying to do it with as less pain as possible. So that's how I am doing my ties. And to follow up, when I need to retie my hair again, then I'm going to follow off with the same technique. And yeah, I should be finished. I might give you guys an update again. So I just probably have like this bit and a little bit more at the top to do, which I will probably, I'm not in a rush to get it done. So I'll probably do it a little bit later throughout the day, but it's coming along okay. I don't mind. It's really nice. Yeah, so I like the size that I have going on here. I really do. And again, like I was saying to you guys, it is so freeing to finally have my hair in this style, or to have my hair like this. I wouldn't even call it a style, but I believe it's more of like a lifestyle, to be honest with you, because this is not an aesthetic. I didn't do it to think, oh my gosh, like I was saying, I don't want my grid to look scalpy. I don't want it to be like, I just genuinely liked the fact that my hair was long enough. And I've tried so many styles. I've tried enough, you know, and I was just like, finally, I'm just gonna lock my hair and just leave it. And again, like I said, it's so freeing, like so freeing to just have the ability to kind of just get up in the morning and just unravel the hair and go, right? And to my hair, right? Where I don't have to worry about taking it out, or you know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, this is what we're doing, and I hope you guys will continue on this journey with me, because I don't think at this point I will be doing crochet hair. But if you guys want to watch my crochet and hair video, there's a plethora. I've gone ahead and made a playlist of that. And now this is just a new journey, and we'll see how it goes. But I just pray to God that it will go well. I'm not thinking of adding any extension to my hair. I'm genuinely just gonna leave it as is. Um, I am in a shrunken state, and just go throughout with wherever God takes me with it. Okay. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.